Welcome to And Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we learn how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop using simple tools and just a few steps. For more design-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to see any particular tutorials, share your requests in the comment section below. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up your canvas size like this. I have already set it to 1920 by 1080 here. Step 2. Now I'm going to select my subject image. This could be a photo of yourself, a product, a travel scene, or whatever best represents the main subject of your video. I have a stock image of a girl opened up in another tab, and I have already removed the background. Now I'm going to make a selection around the image. Go to Edit, copy, and then move back to my previous tab and paste it. I'll go to Edit again and select Free Transform and resize the image and then position it to either side of the frame so that it grabs attention. Moving on to Step 3, let's create a strong visual base. Select your foreground color. I'm going with purple. Hold Option and delete. My background color is now set to purple and is perfectly complementing my cutout image. Now I'm going to add some glows and highlights using the brush tool on my image. Go to the Tools menu and select the brush tool. Pick a shade of purple slightly lighter than your background and click OK. Now in the Layers panel, create a new layer and apply the brush strokes. You can repeat this by creating more layers, each time choosing an even lighter shade to build up soft highlights. I have added 3 layers in total, and I'm also going to rename the image layer as Girl Image for better clarity. Finally, we'll add outer glow to make the subject stand out. So for that, go to Effects panel, click Blending Options, then choose Outer Glow. I'm going with the light yellow color. In the Blend Mode option, choose Linear Dodge. I'm keeping the opacity 20, Technique Softer, size 49, and range 50. These settings are customizable, so tweak them based on your image. Lastly, let's adjust the contrast using curves. Go to Image, Adjustments, Curves, then select Linear Contrast from the drop-down. Press OK. Step 5. I'm now going to add my text using the Type tool. Go to the Tools menu and select Type tool and keep your text short and punchy around 2 to 4 words max. I'm using Aloe Vera font. Place your text to balance the layout either centered or opposite the image. I'm going to resize and make a few adjustments like this. Now I'm going to highlight the phrase "in a minute" using a rounded rectangle shape. So for that, go to the Tools menu and select Shape tool. Now go to Fill. I'm going with red color and then I'm going to make a box. Make sure your text layer is above your shape layer. Then I'll rotate both shape and text slightly using the Transform tool. To enhance the shape, go to Effects, Blending Options, Stroke. I'm keeping size 4, position, center and color white. Then choose inner glow. Blend mode, linear dodge. Opacity 50. Color, light pink. Size 21. And range 63. And finally, add drop shadow. Choose a color darker than your background. I'm using dark purple here. The blend mode is set to multiply. Opacity 100. I'm playing around with the angle a little bit. Keeping it 36. Distance 15. And size 27. Then hit OK. Step 6. To make your thumbnail more dynamic, add icons like arrows, emojis, or the YouTube play button. I have already added my icons. Adjust the position of them according to your design. As a final touch, I have added YouTube buttons in a stylized way to make the thumbnail more visually interesting. And that's it. Creating a great thumbnail in Photoshop helps your video stand out and increases click-throughs. Stick to clear layouts, bold text, and high contrast colors to make your thumbnail scroll-stopping. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to And Academy's YouTube channel for more design-related content. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing!